Hey, so you want to make some coffee. I'm going to give you a quick crash course on the espresso machine. First things first, power button on the left side here. You'll hear it make some of those sounds, starting up, warming up. And it's a good idea to give the machine a few minutes to really warm up, and all the components inside are getting warmed as you go. You could even put your coffee mug on top of this as an actual warmer, but if you're a little pressed for time, no worries at all. Next thing you want to do is select the basket, The one that says dual wall is the one that you're going to want. It's probably the one that's already set up. And then you want your portafilter here, and you just simply press it into the portafilter till it snaps. Next thing, you want to put it underneath the grinder. Kind of just rests in there, and then want to make sure that your light is set to whatever the basket is. If it's a double shot, which is shown by the 2 cups at the bottom, then that's a double shot, and the other one has a single shot if you just want the single shot. So select the light that corresponds with that. This one's set to double. The grind amount should already be set. The grind fineness or coarseness should already be set. And then you simply push the basket in and release. Now this will fill your basket pretty full, and over on the left side there's a tamper, and it's kind of held in there magnetically, so you just pull that out. I'm going to switch sides here. You pull your portafilter out, and you can kind of smooth the grounds out a little bit and balance it. They might be heaping over, which is fine as well. And then you take your tamp and you just press straight down on top of that basket, and some of those grounds will fall out. That's fine. And you want to put a good amount of pressure on top of those grounds. They say about like 30 pounds of pressure. I don't know how to judge 30 pounds of pressure when you're just pushing, but it's a pretty firm push. You can put your tamper back up there, and then next you're going to want to set your basket underneath the head. So you stick it in at about a 45-degree angle here, and then it turns into the locked position to the right. So once your filter is set, you can put your mug, or if you're using a really tall mug and it won't fit under here, you can do a couple of things. You can use a measuring cup or some other smaller utensil to catch the shot, or you can try even pulling out the water catch here to make a little more room for your cup. And then you just select again either the single or double shot, depending on which basket you had. This is a double, so we're gonna hit the double. Right, and then catch a few more drops. You're good now. The shot should have a bit of, let me move the camera, a bit of that golden brown crema floating on top. And then you can just add water to make the Americano. So add water to whatever your taste is. You can do that by boiling water on the kettle, or actually, I guess that's going to be the best way there at Wildflower to make that. And then you can add your half and half, or you can warm the half and half, and I'll make another short video real quick about how to use that steamer if you want to.